Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the moon and its phases. Have you ever wondered why we have a full moon once in a while? Well, let's get to it. First off, the moon doesn't produce its own light. Instead, it reflects sunlight, shining with its own unique glow. As it orbits around our dear Earth, different parts of the moon become illuminated. We call these varying states of illumination phases. There are 8 main phases that we're familiar with: the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. Let's break down each phase. The new moon is when only a sliver of the moon is lit up. After that comes the waxing crescent phase. As we head towards the first quarter phase, we see 1/4 of the moon illuminated from our perspective on Earth. The next phase is the waxing gibbous moon. Think of this as going from 1/4 to 3/4 lit up. Then we reach the full moon when our satellite is completely illuminated and appears round and brilliant in the night sky. Following that comes the waning gibbous phase, moving from 3/4 to 1/4 lit up again. And finally, we get to the last quarter phase when 4/4 of the moon are visible from Earth. Then it returns to being only partially or completely unlit new crescent moon. So there you have it. Now you know all about the phases of our celestial neighbor in our sky, the moon. Thanks for joining me on this interstellar adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want more cosmic content like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more spacey fun coming your way soon. Until next time, space explorers, signing off for now.